The Great Bear Bake-Off. In a sunny, happy corner of the big, green forest, the Great Bear Bake-Off was about to begin. 4 furry friends stood at their little wooden tables, ready to bake the yummiest cake ever. There was Barnaby, Pip, Clover, and Fudge. 2 wise judges watched over them, Professor Hoot, a very clever owl, and Bartholomew Badger, who had the best taste in the whole forest. "Bakers," hooted the professor, "today you will bake a brilliant berry cake." The bears got to work. Clover mashed sweet strawberries, and Fudge stirred a big pot of yummy blueberry goo. "Whisk, whisk, stir, stir," they all sang happily. The forest filled with the wonderful smell of baking. Barnaby was so excited. His cake was tall and wobbly and covered in delicious pink icing. He just needed to add one last, perfect raspberry on top. He reached for the berry, wiggled with excitement, and wibble wobble, crash! The cake tumbled right off the table and landed on the floor in a big, sticky, gooey mess. "Oh no!" cried Barnaby. A big tear rolled down his furry cheek. Pip saw what happened and scurried right over. "Don't worry, Barnaby," she said with a kind smile. "I have extra flour and eggs we can share." Clover came over too, carrying a bowl of her sweet strawberries. "You can have my best berries," she said. Fudge followed with his pot of blueberry goo. "And my blueberry goo," he added. Working together, the 4 friends whisked and stirred, giggled and baked. They made a brand new cake, even better than the first one. It was a friendship cake, decorated with strawberries, blueberries, and a lot of love. Professor Hoot and Bartholomew Badger tasted the friendship cake. Hooray, hooted the professor. "This is the most delicious cake in the forest," declared Bartholomew Badger. "Barnaby, you are the winner." Barnaby held up his shiny trophy. "Thank you," he said, "but I couldn't have done it without my friends." He shared his prize cake with Pip, Clover, and Fudge. Winning was nice, but making friends was the sweetest prize of all.